LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to what I analyzed this in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for this flat. That's why we mentioned we're looking for price to drop and we want to see the breakout of this low, and exactly this is what we get. But after we get this correction, this down move was mostly because of the news, but that's what we expected, the price drop. And we mentioned after the breakout of 260, any reversal we can look for buy. But anyway, the price dropped more than what we expected. Now we want to see whether we can look for buy or not. Anyway, you move to daily chart, and as we can see, even based on daily chart, after the breakout of the previous top when the price was within this move, I mentioned mostly we can expect to get any down move similar to any of this, and this is exactly what we get. And again, this part is because of the news. It dropped more than what we expected. No, mostly we'll be looking for reversal, and we don't need to care about this one. The price broke the trend line, okay? But the only thing is we can expect the price to consolidate here before we get the reversal. But one thing I need to highlight here, if we're looking for buy, since we see the price drop because of the Bitcoin, if we get any more news, bad news about the Bitcoin, any buy based on even the LTC and other coins, we need to have a proper management. That's why I mentioned if we want to look for buy, we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time before we get the reversal. That's mean from now, any trade setup we get, mostly for buy, we will take it, but we should have the proper management. And if we move to forward chart right now, based on forward chart, I see this sharp move. And we want to see whether this one can turn to a correction in relative to this. Any buy from here, we will take it. And with the breakout of the top, we have to start to manage. The reason is you can expect the price tag the top and drop. And this one turn to a more complex correction because what we get here is really sharp. And how about, I mean, we don't have any trade setup to look for. The best thing is if we get any trade setup based on 1 hour chart. And if we move to 1 hour chart, most of the charts, they have a similar movement. And what we prefer, because if the price reverse from here, I don't think we can get a really good trade setup within this range. Maybe trade based on lower time frame, and the only option is to have entry above this, which is 220. But having entry above this is not a really good idea, because even if we get a trade, we want to see the breakout of the stop. In terms of the risk and reward, it doesn't give us a really good trade. What I prefer this one give me one more drop. At least we see the internal float as well. Any reversal from there, we take the trade. With the breakout of the stop, we have to start to manage. Okay, either we can look for this one as a flat, or this is the first wave and this one turn to a correction for one more drop. We don't need to care about that. The only thing is if we want to look for buy, the best option is if this one turn to deeper, one more drop, any reversal from there, we will take the trade. And with the breakout of this, we have to stop, we have to start to manage. Mostly we can expect the price tag and give us one more drop from there. And this is what we're looking for. As I mentioned, there is a possibility the price reverse from here, but in terms of the risk and reward, it doesn't give us a really good trade setup. It depends on the traders. Then they want to take the trade, or even if they want to have entry above this, is good. I mean, they can look for this trade, but for us, what I prefer for me, I prefer this one give me one more drop, because mostly with the breakout of the stop, we want to see whether there is a continuation or reversal. Okay, in this case, we just follow this. And how about can we look for sell from here? If anyone wants to look for sell, the best thing is having entry below this, unless this one turns to a deeper correction. Anyway, still we can look for sell, but the sell will be a short-term sell. If traders, anyone is looking for a short-term trade, they can look for. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.